Now that I taught you a little bit about how to create a field type, we're going to move on to creating actual fields. So a little bit of overview about the text field. The text field creates a simple text input, and this field outputs a string. So in this video, I'm going to teach you about the basic text field. Alright, before we start creating fields, I want to show you that I have installed another plugin called Advanced Custom Fields Theme Code. What this plugin does is it shows you the code that you need to place in your page template, so you don't have to go to the documentation and figure that out. It's a really cool plugin. I will link to the plugin in the video description. Let's start creating fields. First, we're going to go to Custom Fields. We're going to go to the home page field group. And the first thing that we are going to do is click Add Field. So we're going to call this one Headline Text. And then you can click Tab and it will automatically fill in the field name. And then we pick what field we want. So we're going to pick Text. And then the field instructions, we're going to put this is where you type your headline text. And we're going to make this required because every page needs a headline. For the default value, so I'm not going to fill this out, but I am going to fill out the placeholder text. So I'm going to put headline text goes here. And I'm not going to use the prepend field because I will show you about that when we create a number field. And I'm not going to use the append field. And I'm going to leave this as the default convert HTML into tags. We want the headline to be no less than 30 characters. We're going to type 30 in here. And there's no need for conditional logic because there's no other fields in this field group. And we're going to hit update. And so in this field group, I don't want the content to show, the content editor to show. So I click that, and then we're going to hit update again on this field group. I've created a page before I started this video called Home. And so if we click Edit, and I've actually already put this to my home or my front page template that I've created. So the only field that is going to show is the headline text. And you are seeing this in the seamless mode, the field group. So remember in a previous video I showed you about seamless and standard. What you are seeing here is seamless. And so I'm going to go over here and change this to standard because that's the way I like it. And then we're going to hit update. And we're going to refresh the screen. And this is the standard meta box, WordPress meta box look. So I like this better because if you have, the reason I like this better is because if you have multiple field groups on one page, it separates them very well. So right here you see the text and you see that it's required with the red little dot, and then you see the description text right here, then you see the placeholder text. So if I were to type this is a headline and click update, it saves it on that page. This is the basics of creating a text field, and now we are going to place it in our page template. I'm going to jump back over to the custom field home field group and show you this theme code plugin and what it does. So if you hit this little theme code plugin adds this code button that you can press, and if you hit that, it'll pull you down. This is where it gives you the code for the field. So if we were to just copy this and then go over to our code editor and paste the code here, save it, and then go to our home page and refresh, you should see the code right there. It is. That's how easy it is to create a text field inside of Advanced Custom Fields.